The U.S. Justice Department has launched a legal salvo against Walgreens, one of the nation's largest pharmacy chains. Filed on January 17, 2025, the lawsuit accuses Walgreens of fueling the opioid epidemic. The lawsuit alleges a blatant disregard for patient safety and federal law. The government contends millions of prescriptions were filled without proper scrutiny. This legal action is part of a wider crackdown on opioid dispensing practices. Walgreens now faces scrutiny for its role in this tragic chapter of American history. The Justice Department's lawsuit paints a damning picture of Walgreens' dispensing practices. It alleges systemic failures and violations, including filling prescriptions for dangerously high quantities of opioids. This practice contributed to the opioid crisis. The lawsuit argues Walgreens prioritized speed and profit over due diligence. Walgreens allegedly ignored internal warnings about suspicious prescriptions. The government claims this prioritized profits over patient well-being. The Justice Department argues Walgreens violated federal laws. Penalties sought are substantial. Walgreens denies allegations, calling them unfounded and misleading. They argue they are unfairly targeted in the opioid crackdown. Walgreens criticizes the government's approach and files a lawsuit. They claim regulations are contradictory and burdensome. Walgreens insists it has taken steps to combat the opioid epidemic. The lawsuit against Walgreens unfolds amid a devastating opioid crisis gripping the United States. Nearly 727,000 people have died from opioid overdoses since 1999. The Justice Department aims to hold pharmacies accountable for their role in the epidemic. In December 2024, a similar lawsuit was filed against CVS. These lawsuits target corporations rather than individual prescribers. The outcomes could have far-reaching implications for the pharmacy industry. Successful actions could lead to stricter regulations and financial penalties. The Walgreens lawsuit highlights the human cost of the opioid crisis.